I'm going to be showing you how to cook prawn crackers. This is what the prawn crackers actually look like before they're cooked. Kind of like a plastic dish. They do actually contain prawn as well, like seasoning. I'm not gonna lie, these probably aren't the healthiest things that you could be eating because obviously they use so much oil. You actually need to deep fry them in lots of oil. But yeah, I'll show you how to cook them. With our frying pan, we're gonna turn it onto a high heat. And we're just gonna go in with our oil. I'm using organic sunflower oil, but you could use any oil that you want as long as it has a high smoke point. That's the important thing. And so we're just gonna wait for this oil to get hot. If it's not hot enough, it just won't work at all. So we have to make sure we get that oil nice and hot. Let's get a few in, come on, let's go. Turn that down a little bit because I don't want to spit at me. Get some more in, there you go, that's more like it. Go on. Oh! So turn the heat off now because this is where it's all happening. The way I imagine it is like a beautiful flower just blossoming, opening up. So you can buy these from most Chinese supermarkets. And so there you have it, some yummy prawn crackers, just like the ones you get from the Chinese takeaway, but these ones are even fresher because I made them myself.